Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use NumPy's append function. So let's import NumPy as np, and let's go ahead and create a random array A, multiply it by 10, we'll make this a 2 by 2, and we'll subtract 5 so that the numbers are between positive 5 and negative 5. And I'm go ahead and convert it to ints, and let's create an array B the exact same way, 2 by 2 and minus 5. And we'll convert that to as type ints as well. So here we have our random array A and our random array B. Excellent. So first thing, let's just put them in right away to np.append A and B. And you can see that it flattens both of them and puts them into a one-dimensional array. So here's A again and here's B. You can see A's those first 4 numbers and B's those last 4 numbers. Now let's change something up. Let's do A, B, and access equals 0. So now you can see it appended B onto the bottom. So here's A and here's B. So when access equals 0, they need to have the same number of columns. So because B has 2 columns and so does A, it allows it to be able to stick it onto the bottom. np.append A, B, and let's do access equals 1. When access equals 1, it sticks it on as more columns, so both have to have the same number of rows. So the dimension of rows have to be the same for this to work. This is the same as hstack, whereas access equals 0 was the same as np.vstack. But there you have it. That is how you can use np.append in Python. Please check out some of my other Python videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe.